Finding creative solutions to energy issues and energy-efficient buildings has become a major priority for Europe in recent years. Today, simple non-polluting technologies are deployed quickly. This industrial building in Malta hosts the prototype of an EU-funded optical system developed in the framework of the European project DiGESPO. Its concentrated solar technology will be used to produce heat and electricity. The system uses mirrors with a tracking system to focus sunlight onto a receiver, which contains a heat transfer fluid.
The EU is aiming at a 20% cut in final energy annual consumption in Europe by 2020, so DiGESPO is contributing to that objective by developing a new solar technology.
The prospects of strong growth for concentrated solar power over the next few decades seem good. This will help develop a competitive industry and foster EU partnerships.
As we are all aware, there are about 160 million buildings within Europe. And we see this as a unique challenge to be one of those buildings where we can generate some energy efficiencies and energy improvements.
Houses and buildings consume up to 40% of total EU energy use. DiGESPO and its mini solar power systems will, in the long run, allow homes and workplaces alike to generate their own electricity and meet their heating and cooling requirements.
The DiGESPO project is a fantastic opportunity to exploit the huge potential in solar resources, especially on islands like ours or the Mediterranean region, and is a very good opportunity for us to transfer knowledge, which is mostly acquired from mainland Europe in solar research, to the Mediterranean region in general. This is just the beginning.
As we become bigger consumers of energy, the European consortium of the DiGESPO project wants to make sure they are part of the solution.